In this video, I'm going to show you how you install the tempered glass screen protector to your phone in so easy way. Just watch the whole video because I'm going to give you all the tips and tricks. This is Right to Stick. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't, give me a thumbs up, and let's find out. Now, installing glass screen protectors may appear so easy for so many people, but a lot of people fail to put the glass screen protectors on the right way. That's because once they apply the glass screen protector, it's going to be bubbles, and what causes these bubbles? Actually, the dust. For that reason, you need to make sure you have a clean cloth like this and make sure it's nice and clean like this. You need to get the right glass screen protector. For instance, this is the Galaxy A23, so I have the right glass screen protector. Make sure the glass protector will match the screen and I don't have any problems just before you install. And also you'll need a Windex, which is a glass cleaner, and I find out this is the best to clean the glass on your phone. And also you might need a Scotch tape like this. I will tell you why in a second we may need to use the Scotch tape. Now, first thing I would say, turn the phone off completely. I would shut it off completely, so that way the screen, if it turned on, it doesn't interrupt me when I install the glass screen protector. So the first thing, just make sure it's completely off. It will be a lot much easier for you. Now then you need to put just a little bit of Windex. Don't put too much, just a little bit, it should be fine. And start cleaning. There you go. So when you clean the screen, just make sure it dry. You want to make sure the screen also dry after cleaning. And then you need to look to the screen from the angle of view. Like for instance, if I see dust over there, I don't want to like touch on my finger, so that way I will have smudges. So the best thing, if I see any dust, I'll go grab some Scotch tape, just like this, and then go to the places where you believe you have dust. The Scotch tape will remove all these dust. You can go all over the screen if you like, just like this. Now you need to have another look, the second look from the angle of view. Now if you don't see any dust, that would be the best time to install the glass screen protector. Now let's go ahead and peel this part. Look, when you grab the screen protector, grab it in your finger just like this. Don't put your finger on the glass screen protector. So peel this part from the glass screen protector, just like this. And then what you need to carefully apply the glass screen protector edge to edge. And make sure you center everything. And then you just let it go. Have a second look, see everything aligned good, perfect. Then you just need in your finger, press, and the screen protector should do it by itself. Then I bring the same cleaning cloth and just clean it one more time. And make sure you have no air between the glass screen protector and the screen. And it's gonna look something like this. No bubbles, no gaps, no air, nothing. And this is the best way to do and apply the glass screen protector to your phone. You can do it yourself. As you guys have noticed, it's not hard to do. That was very much it. I wish you guys find this video helpful. If it did, thumbs up, subscribe for more here, Right to Stick 2. Thank you so much for watching. As always, we'll talk to you in the next video.